Hey there, flavor fans. Today we're diving into something very small but mighty. That's right, salt. You use it every day. But did you know that all salt is not created equally? Let's meet the salts.
We've got pink ones, black ones, flaky ones, each with its own origin, texture, and purpose. Let's break it down, shall we?
This is the pink Himalayan sea salt. This is the black Indian salt, the rock salt, also known as Kala Nima. This is the Fleur De Sel, and you'll notice because it has this really different cut to it. I don't know if you can really see those crystals, but they're gorgeous. That's my favorite salt, but it also is the most expensive one I have here. All right, this is our kosher salt, our sea salt, and our table salt. The most controversial one of all, right?
There are two main ways that salt makes its way to your kitchen. It's either mined from the earth or harvested from the sea. Mined salts are ancient deposits that have been left by prehistoric oceans, where sea salts, on the other hand, are made by evaporating seawater. This is often done by the sun or the wind.
This pink Himalayan salt, let's talk about this one first.
It's mined from ancient seabeds in the Pakistani Himalayas. Its pink color, that's from trace minerals like iron, but it also contains magnesium and potassium.
The pink Himalayan salt has kind of an earthy flavor, and it's got like a satisfying crunch. It is so lovely. It's best used for
Grilled meats, finishing salts, and salt block cooking. Next up is the black Indian salt, also known as Kala Namak. Now, it's really big in South Asian cuisine.
and it tastes like eggs. So think about this coming out of a volcano. How cool is that? And that's why you taste all the sulfur. Take a look at this Indian black salt. Now, obviously, if you were putting this in a soup or stew, you could drop it in and let it dissolve, but you'd want to grind this if you were going to be adding it into another dish. Let's give it a smell. Maybe even a little taste. Should we give it a little taste? Ooh, it tastes like eggs. For sure. And it's supposed to. It is actually supposed to give flavor to vegetarian dishes. A lot of vegan chefs will use this.
Really great in vegan egg dishes and Indian dishes like chutneys and chats. Next up, Fleur De Sel. This elegant flake is hand harvested from French salt ponds. It's moist, it's delicate, and it's prized by chefs worldwide. I even put it on my ice cream.
Want your food to feel a little fancy? Use Fleur De Sel. It even sounds fancy when you say it.
A perfect match with sweets. Try it on your baked goods. But it's also great on salads, on top of fish, or finishing eggs. It's all about that subtle crunch and refined taste.
A little goes a long way.
Next up, kosher salt.
This is the salt that chefs use most often, and there's a reason for that.
It's all about controlling the amount of salt. Best used for cooking, seasoning meats, and brining. Next up, Sea salt.
Sea salt comes straight from the ocean, and it really varies depending on which ocean it comes from. This is less processed than table salt, and it contains more trace minerals.
Best for all-purpose use, just choose the right grind. Always fantastic on a slice of tomato. Next up, table salt.
And the table salt. It's refined, it's consistent, it contains added iodine. And I'm told iodine is one of those elements that is supposed to help thyroid. Just letting you know what I've read about iodine. This is great for baking and anywhere that you have to use precision in measuring the amount of salt that you're adding. So choose wisely, season boldly, and remember, the smallest flavors can pack the biggest punch. Like this video if your food deserves good salt.